Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Abqari bin Abdul Razak from EMD6M8A1. Today I will be presenting the assignment with each development of smart apartment window and door system using LDR sensor and servo. So this is my circuit I made using the Tinkercad software. I use photoresistor and push button as the input to rotate the servo, and I also use LED and buzzer for the output. So here is the LDR used. One terminal of the photoresistor will be connected to a resistor of 10 kilo ohm, to which the other leg of the resistor will be connected to the ground. On the same leg of the photoresistor will also be connected to the Arduino here on pin A0. The other leg of the photoresistor will be connected to a 5-volt pin. For the push button, it's the same like the photoresistor. We'll need a resistor of 10 kilo ohm that connected to the ground. One leg of the push button will be connected to pin 3, and the other one will be connected to 5-volt. For the servo, it will be connected to the ground, to the power, and to the pin 9. Next, I will show the code that I made. Here, when the LDR value of the LDR is more than 400, or the push button is pushed, the servo will rotate for 90 degrees and the LED will light off and the buzzer will ring for 1 second. Here is the code I made to make the buzzer sounds for just 1 second. And here, when the LDR value is less than 400 and the push button is not pushed, the servo will return back to 0 degrees, LED will light up and the buzzer will ring for 1 second. Let's start the simulation. So here, when it was dark, the servo is at 0 degrees and the LED will light up. When I pull here, it will be bright, the servo will rotate and the LED will light off, the buzzer ring for 1 second. When at dark, pressing the push button here, so that the servo will rotate. When release it will be back to normal. But when pressing the push button, when the value is more than 400, it will not make any change. Let's look at the LDR values. When I open the light, it will be around this range, from 600 to 700. When the light's off, it goes under 100. And when I force the light on the photoresistor, putting the light very close to the photoresistor, it can go up to more than 1000. For the code I made, using the assumptions, I wrote it to be at 400 for the servo to rotate. Here I made the circuit using the Arduino, and I also made the model of the window. when the lights on, the window will be open, and when the lights off, the window will be closed. I point out the photoresistor here to the outside. Using the push button, when the lights off, pressing the push button, the window will be open. So here at the outside, here is the photoresistor. So here I press the push button, the window will be open when the lights off. That's all for me. Thank you.